Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. This week, a little bit something different. We're going to talk about a previous project which I did prior to the start of the channel. I've got some photos and videos to talk through, so let's get to it. So after the usual random daily searches on eBay, I came across these. A set of 20 safety deposit boxes. Turns out these had been stripped out of a vault in London, starred in a set for Prime Suspect 1973 and made their way onto eBay. What a find. The bid came with 42 keys and 20 slide out trays as well. For the first job, they got a good wipe down and small surface scratches were removed from the doors using a Scotch Brite pad, remembering to go with the direction of the brushed finish. I wanted to surround the boxes with wood to match the other furniture in the room, and since the boxes were about 600mm deep, solid wood worktop was perfect for this. I've no pictures of cutting the wood itself, but here is the wood trial fitted to the unit. Wood was then stained using some wood dye and buffed to a satin finish. And here it is in place. Hope you agree, really nice result. So how do they work? Each door has two keyholes, one for the guard key which fits every door, and one for the customer key, which of course fits only one specific box. First the guard key is turned, then the customer key, the door is opened and the box is free to pull out. Now for the finishing touches, I wanted to make some brass key rings and a hanging board to put them on. This was done using the same process as seen in the Pit Checks video, link in the top right hand side corner of the screen. 30mm round brass bar was cut up into discs and finished using number punchers. The hanging board had a chamfer cut using the table saw and stained using the same wood dye as before. The board and keys hang next to the boxes to complete the look. So what do we put in them? I was really lucky with the numbers on the boxes. They start at 217 or 2017 when our boy was born, meaning any birthday cards, first shoes, mementos and such can be stored out the way in these boxes per year. Finally, these things are a great conversation piece. Everybody loves them and asks about them when they come over. Really glad I did this project. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed so far. It really means a lot. Please like the video if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.